So guys, day. Whoops. Okay, so I'll show you guys how to make this. I'm not really good at it. And yeah, so today. I'm just really good really well. Yeah. So you wanna have it become a little bit bent like that. In a while, bent. Put it like right here, right here. And start blowing the nebula. And you should get used to it. So yeah, I'm trying to do short, easy videos so you guys can get it. Like first try, all that stuff. And oh, well, my hand blew. Yeah, excited. Yeah, peace out.